didn't hide. When I was king, I played it hard and fast. Walked away, want me there. Easy on me, oh, and it would. Come on, you got me, go, yeah. My feet, you got me, no. My feet, you got me, no.
At dito muna kami kumain, guys. And maraming lutong Pilipino dito. And since pinaka-the best dito na kinain ko ay liempo. So, umorder ako ng liempo. So, papakita ko na lang kung ano yung mga in-order ko. Ayan. Dito muna kami nag-stop over from Puerto Princesa. Ayan, may langaw pa day. Kaya, pagpasensyahan nyo na, nakikisali sa video ko eh. At dito na nga, bumiyahe na nga kami going El Nido. So, nanggaling pala ako sa Puerto Princesa. So, it takes 5 to 6 hours yung biyahe. Pagdating from Puerto Princesa going El Nido. Kaya magbaon ng malalang pasensya. Ayan, so, ewan ko ba, tulog na lang. Okay. Ayan, malayo-layo pa yung biyahe. Pero payapa naman yung biyahe. So, dito na ako drop sa Town Square. Ayan, excited na ako guys para magstay sa Casa General.
Ayan, papasok tayo dito sa Casa General. So yan, actually, mas pinili kong maglakad kasi ang ganda ng view dito. Ang ganda ng mga madadaanan mo. Tapos yun, ayan na, lapit na ako. Dito na yung cute na si Rambo. Ay, hello po. Hello! Saan si Rambo? Hello! Ano po, bali naglakad na lang muna ako. Ang ganda kasi ng view eh. Ay, okay lang yan. Yan. May pa-welcome drinks pa. Yun o. Yun na, may miss ko talaga dito yung kape.
Ayun. So, nagpahinga muna ako ng konti. Naglilibot-libot. And maganda dito ay ma-witness natin yung sunset. Ayan, so libot-libot muna dito sa town ng El Nido. And marami po tayo dito makikita ng mga anek-anek ganun. So, pwede tayo mag-explore. So, today magtutour na. Start na ng tour pero hintayin ko na lang yung susundo and mag coffee and muna tayo. Hello kayo, yan.
Ayan, hello. Goodbye. Ang sarap dito sa Casa General.
Ayaw ko na umuwi.
Ate Jo.
Ayaw ko na umuwi sa Pampanga.
Ang service ni Ate Jo, mamimiss namin yung kanyang service siya sa amin. Pinabusog kami. Talaga naman.
Ano po yung pinaka nagustuhan nyo sa El Nido?
Lahat-lahat.
Yung simple.
Simple. Yan. Kita-kita.
Si Mami, gusto, nakakaligo.
Si Mami na
Gusto ko, kaya lang yung di ko kaya.
Yung hindi niya makalimutan yung sumakay siya ng
Kayak.
Kaya biglang bumagsak. Hindi niya makontrol yung katawan niya.
Kasi ito, masakit na yun ako.
Hindi niya ganito.
Eskelan ang kailangan.
Kailan?
Dapat mo i-ano kayo. Ganito na nagbabay ka, Mami.
Mayroon siyang bike.
Sayang, zipline sana. Ayan.
Oo,
Hello
ayan,
po.
si Uncle, si Tita,
Gusto ko pa nagsasakay.
si Rose.
Ayun. Ako gusto rin ako.
Cute naman.
Sige po.
Hindi pa pinakaman eh.
Good morning, Mark, Sir John, Jeff. Si Raf. Saan Raf? I'm sorry. Jeff nang nasabi ko. Raf, good morning everyone. Greetings from El Nido, Sitio,
Yes.
Casa General.
So, ito na nga, inuulan pa bago magpatuloy tayo sa tour B. And ewan ko kung matutuloy ba talaga yung tour ko nito. So, sinundo na nga ako ni Kuya Vince. So, shout out to Kuya Vince. Salamat sa pagsundo kahit sobrang maulan talaga tong tour natin. Oh my God!
Grabe.
Kumusta yung mga ibang guests?
Ayun, tambak sila sa office.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for our first destination, Balol Island. This is Balol Island. We call it Lula Inta before Passages because it's right now. So anyway, nothing is here. It's like this. Maybe it's nothing. You can sightseeing on the beach all the way to the other end, but this is a private place. So that area over there, those staying here on that side is not accessible for us. Okay, so we are off limits on that area. We are only allowed to this part and all the way to the other end. If you want to explore it. Okay, so we will spend our time for about 48 minutes. Okay, we have to. This one.
First is tatanggal muna tayo ng ating manik-manik. Ang clear niya. So, check na lang natin.
Your safety because there's a lot of poisonous species that lives on the surface of the coral reef. Okay, so in order for us to protect the coral reef, we are not allowing anyone to step on the corals. Okay, so we have 30 minutes for our snorkeling activities.
Snorkeling na tayo. We're going to swim. You can use your life jacket. Snorkeling. Yeah, for fish.
You can jump if you want.
Jump. Siyempre, hindi pa natin kabisado ang dagat. That's why maganda lang tayo. Huwag tayo mga has. Tingnan natin yung ilalim ng dagat. So, that's pumapasok.
So, mapunta na tayo dito sa Snake Island. Not sure. Bye, Samara.
Take care.
Yeah. It's cold. Yeah. I'm not happy with this. Ah. Okay. It's too cold. Bakit ako nag-English pa rin? So, Snake Island because kapag daw may drone to, so makikita natin yung hugis snake daw talaga siya if we're going to use a drone. So let's explore. So pag very ano naman dito, hindi na safe for kids kasi mababaw lang yung tubig niya. Ayan. So makikita natin dito, isa sa natutunan ko is don't forget na magdala ng cash lagi, always. So this is the Snake Island.
Hello.
Okay. So malalim kaya? Pag malalim, salamat na lang sa lahat. Charot. Pero ano no? Ayan. So kahit gumit na ka naman, this is Tour B. So nag-lunch lang kami, then ano ba? Dito kami nag-lunch sa Snake Island. Ano yung barko talaga. Ayan. And then kung hindi na kayo mamang problema kung hindi tayo nakapagdala ng anything dito. So may mga isda rin. So pwede nating ayan. Magkano Magnum? Grabe, 150. Charot. Magnum almond na. Sige sir, ano muna ako? Kuha lang ako cash. Ha? Ayan, doon lang naman yung barko. Di, pupunta rin ang barko kasi doon ako kakain. Yan. Yan, dito kayo bibili kay kuya kapag ano. May buko pa siya. Tapos, ayan, red horse. Sakto. Yung mga gustong, ano. Viva vlog. So better na magdala din kayo ng drone para makita nyo actual yung pinaka-itsura ng Snake Island for Tour B. Ayan. Yes! Yun. Yan. Favorite ko yan. Yes! We're going to eat ice cream because it's too hot. But the water is too cold. It's too cold to handle. He is selling ice cream. So we have Magnum.
Chocolate?
Yeah, more on chocolate.
Oh, why what?
100 chocolate. Almond 150.
For almond, it's 150. For chocolate, it's 100. 100 pesos.
100 ma'am. 100 and 150.
Yeah, I want
Yeah, chocolate too.
this, not one of them.
The-
No, we all, yeah.
That one. Ah, sige.
So, bless ni mama.
Yes. 100.
Si Kuya, oh. Grabe, oh. Sipag. So hanggang doon hindi maano no Kuya? Malalim no?
Mababaw na saan ko, ma'am.
Babaw lang.
Mababaw na po. Ayun na po malalim, dire.
Ah,
Ay, mababaw na. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, from our port destination, we have the Canadian Gate for Buduglut. So this is the gate over there. The inside is very small, it's very narrow. We have to go there inside, in front, inside of it. Okay. Anyway, inside is very wide. So we have to sightseeing. Inside, this is an archaeological site. So most of the bones of the Holy City was found around inside of this cave. So the people before they make it past their graveyard or they put their dead bodies inside of that cave. But anyway, you cannot see the anymore because we put it into the museum. Anyway, if you want to see it, you can see it. Anyway, so we're going to start sightseeing. If you make sure you bring your camera with you, especially with those who want to flash because it's very dark inside. Okay, we have 30 minutes to hours.
So here we are. So madilim daw dito, kaya baon tayo flashlight. Hi! There's a lot of tourists here right now. Kaya enjoy. Go Samara! You can do it! I will cheer you. Sa isang pagkakamali lang, hulog tong phone ko. So, Pasok tayo ngayon sa cave. Then, let's go. Medyo makitap daw itong cave na to. That's why, tingnan natin. The rocks is, you know, slippery or maybe sharp. Oh, it's too... Maybe I can relax on that one. Yeah. No, I'm not sure. But for me, I decided to... Yeah. Are you going to explore inside or... Be careful. It's too slippery because of the green one. Yeah, yes. Maybe I will explore on that place instead. Yeah. It's Pudugnon Cave. Pudugnon. So as an adult, we're going to stay there instead. Yeah. It's Pudugnon. Pudugnon.
What had into the company?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe a small one, just like a small lagoon. Yeah, something like that. Is that an exit? We can. So we can enter here instead. Just kidding. Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's check.
Let's check. So, we're not sure. We're not sure about this one. So, we're just listening to one of the guests. But we're not sure what will happen next. Don't worry, Sam. It's not tawi-tawi. Oh, this one. Oh, this is the exit. Oh, this is the exit. Yeah. Thank you. Think. Yeah. We don't have a light. Oh, not a small lagoon, but the actual cave. Because according to our tour guide, so some, I think the Homo sapiens, I guess, the caveman, they witnessed some skeletons, I guess, for this particular place. Okay. A cave. So we're going outside right now. But honestly, it's not hot. Although it's a cave right there. Yeah. So, exit time.
So, kung fan tayo ng mga mag-explore ng mga kuweba, no? So, better tong Torby. And very chill lang actually siya. Hindi siya nakakatakot. And good thing is, hindi mainit dun sa loob ng cave. So, safe siya sa kids. Hindi kayo masusuffocate pagdating dun sa kuweba. And yun. Para maka-enter is, dapat wag na natin kalimutan na magdala ng flashlight kung maaari. And yan, aaura muna tayo sa mga itong puno na to. So nakita ko lang tong spot na to, kaya I'm sharing some pictures kung ano yung mga naging posing ko. Feeling. So, shout out kay Sam na naging photographer ko sa mga oras na to. Actually, naging photographer niya rin naman ako kahit papaano. Syempre, give and take.
Okay, clap for everyone. So for our last destination, we have Pinati Island. Pinati means stroll, okay? Or obviously, it was strolled from other place, okay? So anyway, this island, there's a cave here that we call Katipuan Cave. So that's the Katipuan Cave over there. You can see the entrance, just like that, in front of the church, or the door of the church. Inside the interior of that cave is also a Anglican church. Okay, so it's that way called Katipuan Cave. During Holy Week, this village over there, they have event. They put the Virgin Mary inside of this cave and they do some prayers inside, okay? So it's like a holy ground for them. So anyway, for the native people, they are doing that already. It's the Spanish is here, and 1600, so they're doing those. I think it's there before. So anyway, there's nothing much to do here. It's only for sightseeing picture taking. So once we are on the corner over there, we will take some pictures of it. We can take pictures of the mountain below. Yes, because we are not on the side. As I said, this is a sacred place for the local people or the natives. So it's not up to the inside. There's also some sea snakes on the area, but it's not safe actually. Or yeah, it's funny to get another safe to go inside with other snakes. Right, so anyway, since we outside, we'll take it up here. After this, we have to travel 1 hour or so.
So, dito is hindi allowed kami pumasok kasi sacred yung place. So, kaya mag-picture lang kami dun sa unahan ng barko. Kaya, yan, sa atin. So, ngayon, yan, very, okay lang. I thought he was looking forward to see snakes because I thought you're excited to it because there's no snake on your country. Oh, that's the best part, I guess. So we're going back in El Nido Town. So do you already explore different places here in El Nido Town? Or not yet? Because most of the restaurants open at night. Usually, not open at night. They are open 24 hours. But yeah, we have a lot. Do you have any plans tonight?
No, risk no.
What?
No plans
No plans tonight. So we're planning actually for just chill.
on the side. You just on the start here.
So actually nagpaplano kami kung saan kami kakain ni Sam, and yun, hindi kami makapag-decide kung saan kami kakain, and gusto niya kasi ma-witness yung sunset pagdating dito. So tour-tour lang, ayan, sumakay na kami ng tuk-tuk, and actually dapat pupunta kami sa Korong-Korong Beach dito, pero napag-decide na namin na magpalipas na lang sa Las Cabañas. So ano lang siya, located lang siya doon sa Vanilla Beach, and this is yung entrance. So sa Vanilla Beach, and ang good thing dito is pwede tayo pumunta sa iba't ibang store, and ayan, so kompleto na dito. Ang na-observe ko dito is marami ng place na or store na sarado. Ewan ko, kasi from last year maraming bukas dito eh. Ewan ko kung bakit. Yan. So one thing na natutunan ko dito is magbaon tayo ng pang mosquito bite or insect bites, kasi napansin ko, ewan ko pero dami kasi bininiknek ba yun or yun, basta magbaon na lang tayo, and yun. cheesy fries. Yeah. I think the cut of the fries was too big, I guess. It's like the main potato.